User roles let you give each user exactly the access they need. First, the Users tab lists every user in that workspace. To add someone, click New User, enter their email address, choose their role, and click Invite. Once they accept, they're part of the workspace. The Profile tab shows basic information about a user and the workspaces they belong to. From here, you can also assign or reassign their workspace. There are 4 user roles in Zoho Bookings, each with a different level of access. Admins have the highest level of access across the entire organization. Workspace admins get the same range of control, but only within their assigned workspaces. Managers can manage every appointment in the workspaces they're assigned to. Staff can manage only their own appointments. Click Save once you're done. Admins, workspace admins, and managers can all view other users. Staff can't. The Availability tab shows your users' availability. The Assigned Event Types tab lets you assign users to more event types or remove them from existing ones. The Integrations tab shows which external apps each user has connected to. That's how you manage users and their roles in Zoho Bookings. Scan this QR code to book a personalized demo tailored to your business, or check the playlist link in the description to learn at your own pace.